Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to the Max online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am your Joyce Miss. How are you my dear children? Hope you all are fine. Tell me children, what did you learn in the previous class?
In the previous class, we have learned about solid shapes and how to trace solid shapes on paper. I hope you have practiced it. Right, children? Yes. So, today, let us learn about roll and slide. What is rolling and sliding? What all things can roll or what all things can slide? Let us discuss.
We are going to discuss about rolling and sliding. Children, some solid shapes can roll and some solid shapes can slide. Let us discuss what all things can roll or what all things can slide. Let me give you some examples. First, let us take a ball. We know this is a solid shape and is called sphere. It is round in shape. I am going to place this ball here. Let us check whether it is roll or slide. See children. Yes, it is rolling because it is round in shape. So, things which are round in shape will roll. Let us take one more example. See children, this is a battery. This is in the shape of cylinder. Let us check whether this battery is roll or slide. I am going to place this battery here. See, it is rolling. That is, things which are round in shape or curved side. See, this battery is in the shape of cylinder. It has a curved face. So, it is rolling. Is it clear children? Yes. Children, let us take another example. See, which shape is this? Yes, this is cube. It has flat faces, right? Yes. I am going to place this here. What happens? Will it move? No. When you push it, it will slide. Let us see. See? Like this. Will it roll? No. It will slide. That is, things which are flat will slide. Things which are flat will slide. Is it clear children? Yes. So children, things which are round in shape or curved face will roll and things which are flat will slide. I hope you have understood this. Okay children? Yes.
Now we have understood that which solid shape can roll or slide. Example of solid shape which can roll are sphere, cylinder, cone, etc. Example of solid shape which can slide are cylinder, cube, cuboid, cone, etc. See children, here cylinder and cone can slide and roll. Do you know children what's the reason? We learned things which are round will roll and things which are flat will slide. Here cylinder and cone have curved and flat faces. That's why they can roll and slide. Cube and cuboid have only flat faces, so they can slide. Sphere has only curved face, so it will roll. Is it clear children? Yes.
I hope you have understood today's class. Today's class was very interesting, isn't it? Yes. So children, I have attached the notes of lesson along with this video. you have to write down the notes and you have to do the exercise problems in your textbook. So let me conclude today's session. See you in the next class with another topic. Till then, bye.